Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're a shoe lover, I must show you these Mary Janes by Viapipa for your shoe collection. They are classy, trendy, stylish, and great for year-round. They go well with formal or casual clothing, making them ideal for work, school, or traveling. I can literally jump on these despite them having a platform. They have an adjustable buckle, rubber sole, and plenty of cushion. They do run a little bit big, so I would highly recommend you to size down. And if you're not feeling this black color, they also come in white. So if you're looking for a thoughtful gift for yourself or for a loved one, I highly recommend you to check these out. Via Pipa provides style, comfort, and uniqueness. I promise you're going to love these shoes. I highly recommend them. So stop looking around and check them out. They are beautiful, and that's my point of view.